Have you ever been jolted awake in the middle of the night by a sudden, stabbing pain in your leg? You sit up, clutching your calf, trying to stretch it out, wondering what just happened. If this sounds familiar, you're not alone. Nighttime muscle cramps are surprisingly common, especially as we get older. Many people shrug them off as just another sign of aging. But in reality, these cramps may be your body's way of sending a clear signal that something is out of balance. In today's video, we're going to uncover the real reasons behind those painful muscle cramps and what you can do to ease them, naturally and safely. If you've been dealing with leg cramps, foot spasms, or mysterious twinges in your muscles, you'll want to stick around. What you learn today could help you sleep more peacefully, move more freely, and feel more confident in your own body. This isn't just another home remedy video. We're digging into the science, with insights from Harvard Health, the World Health Organization, and other trusted sources. No hype, no gimmicks, just clear, research-backed information. So, if you're someone who wants to take control of your health, not just react to problems, stay with us. And consider subscribing for weekly videos that help you live smarter and healthier. Let's start by understanding what muscle cramps actually are. A cramp is a sudden, involuntary contraction of a muscle, usually in the legs, feet, or hands. It can last from a few seconds to several minutes and often feels like a sharp, tightening knot under the skin. In some cases, the muscle might remain sore for hours afterward. Muscle cramps can strike at any time, but they're most common at night or after physical activity. Now, who is most at risk? People over 50, especially those who are less active or managing chronic conditions, are more likely to experience frequent muscle cramps. But even younger adults can be affected, especially if they don't hydrate properly, have poor nutrition, or are under physical stress. Let's look at the most common reasons why muscle cramps happen and what they're trying to tell you. First up, dehydration. It may sound simple, but not drinking enough water is one of the most overlooked causes of muscle cramps. When your body is low on fluids, your muscles don't function as smoothly. They become more likely to misfire, tense up, and spasm. Dehydration also affects how your nerves send signals to your muscles. If those signals are disrupted, cramps can occur more easily. This is especially important for older adults, because as we age, our sense of thirst weakens, meaning we might not feel thirsty even when we're already dehydrated. So, one easy fix? Make hydration a daily priority. General rule: aim for about 6 to 8 glasses of water a day, more if you're active or live in a hot climate. Second, let's talk about mineral deficiencies, particularly magnesium, potassium, and calcium. These minerals are essential for muscle function and nerve signaling. Magnesium, for example, plays a key role in muscle relaxation. When your body doesn't have enough magnesium, your muscles may become overexcited, leading to twitching, spasms, or cramps. According to a study published in the journal Nutrients, magnesium deficiency is more common in older adults, especially those with certain health conditions or who take specific medications like diuretics or proton pump inhibitors. Potassium is another big one. It helps regulate fluid balance and muscle contractions. A lack of potassium can cause your muscles to feel weak and prone to cramping. Foods like bananas, sweet potatoes, spinach, and avocados are excellent sources. And don't forget calcium, also vital for muscle contractions. Low calcium levels, especially in women after menopause, may increase cramping risk. So what can you do? Focus on a nutrient-rich diet, include leafy greens, nuts, seeds, dairy, or fortified plant-based alternatives, and fruit. If you suspect a deficiency, talk to your doctor about testing or supplements. But avoid guessing or oversupplementing, as too much of one mineral can interfere with others. Our third cause is muscle fatigue. Have you ever pushed yourself a little too hard during exercise? Or even after a long walk or doing chores, and then felt your legs seize up later that night? That's muscle fatigue at work. When muscles are overused or used in unfamiliar ways, they may become fatigued and more prone to cramping. Even standing or sitting in the same position for long periods can contribute. This is especially common in people who are beginning to increase activity after a long period of being sedentary, which is often the case for older adults trying to stay fit. The good news? You can reduce the risk by gradually increasing your activity level and always including a cool-down period with gentle stretching. Don't skip warming up either. Warming the muscles helps prepare them for work and reduces cramp risk. Next, aging itself. As we get older, our muscles naturally lose some of their elasticity and strength. Circulation may not be as efficient. Nerve signals can become slower, and our bodies are generally more prone to imbalances. These changes all make cramps more likely, especially during the night when our bodies are at rest, but our legs may still be slightly contracted due to sleeping position. However, age doesn't mean you have to accept cramps as normal. By staying hydrated, eating well, stretching daily, and keeping your body moving, you can dramatically lower your risk, regardless of age. Finally, there are other less obvious causes. Certain medications, like statins, diuretics, or asthma drugs, can lead to cramps as a side effect. So can underlying conditions like diabetes, thyroid disorders, or nerve compression. If you've tried everything and still have persistent cramps, it's worth discussing with your healthcare provider. A simple blood test might reveal a hidden imbalance or issue. Let's recap. Muscle cramps are common, but they're not just a random nuisance. They're often a signal that something is out of sync. Dehydration, low minerals, tired muscles, aging changes, or even medication effects. The key is to listen to your body and respond with small, consistent habits that support your overall health. Drink enough water, eat mineral-rich foods, don't ignore stretching, and most importantly, pay attention to the patterns, when, where, and how cramps occur. That can give you clues to what's really going on underneath. Remember, better health doesn't always require big changes. Sometimes it's just about understanding your body a little better each day, and that's what we're here for. If you found this video helpful, let us know in the comments. Have you found anything that helps with your cramps? We'd love to hear. And don't forget to subscribe to Healthwise Living for more simple, science-based videos that help you live stronger and smarter, no matter your age. This video is intended for educational purposes only. It is not a substitute for medical advice. Always consult your healthcare provider for guidance tailored to your specific health condition.